present or deliver about information about the carpal bones. First of all, what is bone? Basically, bone is a connective tissue, rigid and hard due to the ossification of calcium phosphate. Okay? Then we will move on the carpal bones. First of all, the word skeleton of Manus. Manus is a Latin word which means hand. Okay? The manus is the terminal of the forelimb, but it further divides into third part: basipodium, metapodium, acropodium. Basipodium means carpal bones, metapodium means metacarpal bones, and acropodium means phalanges and sesamoid bones. Okay, so today I will deliver some points about the carpal bone. Basically, carpal bone is the first segment of the manus. It consists of two rows. The first one is proximal row and the second one is distal row. In the proximal row, 4 bones are present, and in the distal row also 4 bones are present, but it varies from species to species. In aves, for suppose in foal, 2 in number; in buffalo, in ox, 6 in number; in horse, 7 in number; and in humans, 8 in number. These carpal bones are weight bearing bones. In the fetal life, distal row of the carpal bones act as a cartilage, triangular complex cartilage. Okay, so the proximal row of the carpal bones articulates with the radius and ulna, and the distal row of the carpal bones articulate with the metacarpal, make carpo-metacarpal joint. Okay, and the proximal row make the radiocarpal joint. Okay, first of all, what is joint? Basically, joint is a part or an area that where 2 bones are connected. This is an area or part here 2 bones are connected, so we call this part or an area is joint. Okay, the proximal row of the carpal bones articulate with radial and ulna and make radial carpal joint. This is the proximal row of carpal bones. Proximal row of the carpal bones articulate and make an antebrachial joint with radius and ulna, and the distal row of the carpal bones articulates with the metacarpal bone and make carpo-metacarpal joint. Okay, so now I will talk about the arrangement of carpal bones. Carpal bones are arranged in mediolateral sequence from medial to lateral. Radial bone is on medial side, it is largest bone, and second one is intermediate bone. Third one is ulnar bone, which is smallest. Behind the ulnar bone there is a accessory bone. Okay, in the distal row 4 bones are available in humans. Okay, but in buffalo, this is the forelimb of buffalo, but in buffalo first one is missing, first carpal bone is missing, second and third fuse, and fourth is individual. The third carpal bone of the distal row is the largest bone. Tell you an interesting point about the carpal bones. During the fetal life, the distal row of the carpal bone act as cartilaginous triangular fibrocartilage complex. The number of carpal bones varies from species to species. In aves, for suppose in foal, they are 2 in number. In humans, they are 8 in number. In horse, they are 7 in number. And in ox, they are 6 in number. And in ruminants, they are also 6 in number. That's all about the carpal bones. Okay, thank you very much.